Hi, I'm Owen, Manager of Geosolutions at AAM. Today I thought we'd take a quick look at using the Workflow Designer in Workflow 5. The first step is to launch the Workflow Designer. You'll be prompted to log in with your ArcGIS identity. This is the identity that's linked to your Geocortex account. Once the Workflow Designer is launched, you can start to create your workflows. To get started with the workflow, click the File button, then click New. You'll be presented with a range of different pre-built work activities that you can choose to start your workflow. In this example, we're going to use the buffer geometry workflow. Once the sample is loaded, you can modify each of the steps in the workflow or add new activities. For this workflow, we're going to make two modifications to the end. We're going to add a delay and we're going to add an alert activity. These two need to be linked up to the main workflow. The delay we're going to set 3 seconds, and the alert we're going to put a message in to say that we completed the activity. Save the changes. Once you've saved the workflow, go to the Info button, and then you can run this workflow in the sandbox. Click the Run Workflow button, and the workflow will run. Fill out the properties. First, we're going to choose the geometry. Then we're going to put in 150 and we're going to set that to meters, run the workflow. You can see the workflow has now created the buffer and prompt us with the result.